Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm absolutely buzzing to tell you all about the early bird hostel in Ayutthaya, Thailand. Before we dive in, don't forget to scan the QR code on screen right now for a direct link to book your stay. Super easy, right? Okay, so picture this. You're in the heart of historic Ayutthaya, ready to explore ancient temples and vibrant markets, and you're looking for the perfect little haven to call your own. That's where Early Bird Hostel comes in. It's a seriously charming 2-star hotel, and let me tell you, it packs a serious punch. What makes it special? Well, first off, it's super close to everything. Just 0.6 kilometers from the city center, you're practically stumbling distance from all the must-see sites. Trust me, less time traveling, more time exploring. That's what I always say. But what really sets it apart is the vibe. This place feels so cozy. It only has 2 rooms, which means the whole experience is really intimate and personalized. The staff are incredibly friendly and attentive. They're totally dedicated to making your stay amazing. Plus, it was renovated in 2021, so everything feels fresh and modern. And honestly, it provides a warm and welcoming ambience, which really is everything, isn't it? And can we talk about the garden? It's like a little oasis of calm. Imagine waking up, grabbing some breakfast. Did I mention they have that? And then just chilling in the garden, soaking up the atmosphere. Speaking of which, the hostel has parking and free Wi-Fi. Total bonus points. So, are you dreaming of Thailand yet? I know I am. If you're looking for a charming, centrally located, and affordable place to stay in Ayutthaya, definitely check out Early Bird Hostel. Remember that QR code? Click on it now and book your stay. You won't regret it.